Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, today someone has come to meet you. क्या आप मिलना चाहोगे उनसे? Do you want to meet him? And here comes someone. Yay! Say hi. Hello. Do you know who is it? Yes, it's the Wall Hand. Say hi to Wall Hand. Do you want to revise the vowel first? Okay, so let's revise the vowel first. A, 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 eh, 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 I, 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 o, o, o. So this is the vowel hand. आप भी अपने hand पे इस तरीके से vowel लिख सकते हो. Shall we revise? A, I, o, and a. Now we will sing a song and revise. आप मेरे साथ में इसे vowel hand को song से अपन revise करेंगे. I am vowel hand, I am vowel hand, I am vowel hand, I am vowel hand. A, I, o, e. A, I, o, e. A, I, o, e. A, I, o, e. Come on, let's sing with me. I am vowel hand, I am vowel hand. There are five vowels, there are five vowels. A, I, o, e. A, I, o, e. Okay, so this was the song. Now, let's revise all the consonants. So, here. S, T, P, K, K, R, D, G, L, F, B, J, W, V, Y, Z, X. क्लियर? आप भी इसी तरीके से साउंड्स बोलोगे जिस तरीके से अभी मैंने आपके साथ में रिवाइज करी है. यू विल रिपीट इट द सेम वे एज आई हैव डन. नाउ आई एम गोना शिफ्ट माई लेटर्स. आपको पता है ना ये जगह क्यों खाली है? बिकॉज यहाँ पे वाल्स आएंगे. स, ए, ठ, इ, फ, इसी तरीके से ये सारे वाल्स बीच में फिट होंगे. बट फॉर द टाइम बीइंग बिकॉज आई हैव लेस स्पेस तो ये मैंने यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दिया है. नाउ आई विल मेक सम वर्ड्स. सो आई एम गोना मेक ए साउंड वर्ड्स फर्स्ट. कैन यू नेम सम ऑफ द ए साउंड वर्ड्स? लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सिंपलेस्ट. Here, s, a, t, s, a, t, sat. Now, I'm going to replace it with b. B, a, t, bat. Now, I'm going to replace it with at, hat. I can replace it with another letter. Ham. Again. Pam. Now, can you repeat with me? Well, Okay, now at pat. Very good. Okay, again. J a m jam. Very good. Now we'll use another vowel sound, that is eh. Eh. So eh. Eh. Hen. Okay. Now l eh t l eh t let. Now we'll make another word. Now read this. Eh t. क्या बना? Net. Shabash. Now I will replace it with another vowel, that is I. So b I t. B I t bit. Bit मतलब थोड़ा. B I b I bin. Very good. Now you will spell it. L I p lip. Very good. Some more words. W I whim. Very good. T I क्या बना? T I tin. Shabash. Now I'm going to replace it with vowel o. So here it goes. Read this. T O P. T O P. Top. Very good. Now we will make another word. Can you think of some of the word? Here. G O D. G O D. God. Very good. Now O D. O D. Very good. Not. Repeat after me. I'm thinking that you are repeating after me. Okay, one more. Here it goes. Now you say it. H O P. H O P. Hop. Shabash. One more. T hot. Okay, so now we'll take another vowel, that is a. You says a. You says a. Where's the vowel hand? Where is you in this? Can you locate? Here it is. A. A. Every morning after getting up, you have to practice this vowel hand saying a, e, I, O, A. A, e, I, O, A. And then this vowel hand will be very happy. Okay, so let's finish this. A. So here it goes. S, a, sun. Very good. S, a, b. Repeat after me. S, a, b. Sub. Very good. Now, yo. K, a b. Cub. K a b. Cub. One more. Can you think of some words? G a g a gun. Very, very good. Okay, one more. Here it goes. A d. A d. Mud. And the last one. A t. A t. Heart. Very good. So, have you seen how many sounds we had made? Did you see? We have made so many sounds with this vowel hand. So, once again, we'll repeat the vowels. A, I, O, A. A, I, O, A. So, today you will write the short vowel sound of A and E and I and O and A. And you will revise at home. Bye-bye. Happy learning.